Alright, this is going to be the first video of many. A lot of people know a few years back I had an issue with the motor overheating, so I decided to say screw the car, and I pretty much sold everything out of the car, motor, transmission, and I kept the shell. I see all this is just super dirty. It's a hole right there. A fucking rat was living in there. So what we're gonna do is, this is gonna be the first video of many. We're actually gonna bring this Camaro back. At first it was a procharged 383 stroker M6. Sold the pro charger, sold the transmission, all of that. Sold the motor, wiring harness. Well, end up getting a new wiring harness. Well, not new, but a used wiring harness for an M6 for a decent price. And I picked up a 6.0 block. I've already disassembled the block. Should have made a video of me disassembling it, but I already disassembled the block. About to get it ready to take it to the machine shop. This car is no longer going to be this color either. I'm going to paint it, thinking a chameleon color, not sure which color yet, but some type of chameleon color. So, this is going to be the first video of many. Follow me for the ride.